Hi guys, today's part 3 of reading Taking Care of the Earth. I'm going to start on page 10. It's called A Community Takes Action. Page 10, and remember my book's falling apart. A Community Takes Action. Students and employees at Tolt Middle School in Carnation, Washington, decided to do something to clean up the school and protect the environment. They started a recycling club. At lunchtime, members of the club picked up litter from the school grounds. They set up containers for paper, plastic, and glass by recycling and glass, period. By recycling, the school produced much less garbage. They also helped solve another big problem, litter. The recycling club was a success. Okay, that's that page. Students and teachers at other schools heard about the Tolt Middle School Recycling Club. These schools decided to start recycling too. Now, schools all over the country have recycling programs. Each day, students collect juice boxes, bottles, cans, paper, and plastic. Many of these objects are sent to recycling plants. Others are cleaned by the students so they can be reused. Reusing or recycling makes less garbage for landfills. Here's the caption for the picture. Students all around the country have started recycling clubs. What do you think we do at our school to help with the trash problem? Have you noticed anything? We do something for the kindness of the janitors and so that the garbage cans aren't so heavy. What is that? Yeah, we pour our milk out. So I wonder if there's other things we could recycle. Page 12, protecting the water. Water is important. We can't live without it. There are 2 ways we need to protect our water. Keep it clean and don't waste it. Pollution is one problem. People dump their garbage in the water or do other things to make water dirty and unsafe. Big cities and factories can be a source of pollution. But so can a careless person who dumps trash in the water. Wasting water is a problem because it takes a lot of work to make water clean enough to drink and use in our homes. If we waste this clean water, it may not be there when we need it. So you noticed these words are in yellow. That's because their definition, well, your words aren't in yellow. They're probably gray and shaded. But those are words that are in the glossary. So pollution, anything that dirties the environment. And on the other page, it was litter, things scattered about, scattered trash. Any of that is considered litter. Okay. I think I'm going to read 2 more pages. A community takes action. Page 13. It's got the marigolds on it. A community takes action. At one school, students and teachers collected rainwater for their garden. This way, they needed to take from the faucet only half the amount of water that they normally used. One community decided to adopt a lake. Children and adults took charge of keeping the lake clean. They removed litter from the water and the shore. This made the area beautiful and kept animals from being harmed by the trash. Okay, page 14. In another community, 2 students learned their neighborhood stream was being polluted. A factory was dumping dangerous chemicals, and people were throwing old tires into the water. The students learned everything they could about cleaning up a polluted stream. They told many people about the problem. Students wrote letters to local newspapers. They got everyone in the community to work together to clean up the stream. And then the caption says, trash thrown in this lake washed up on the shore. And I don't know if your picture of black and white is able to see all this, but look at all that trash. Wow. So guys, my challenge for you is to think about what can you do? Because things are happening. So what can you do to make a difference? There's pollution, there's litter, there's a community taking action. Maybe what you do is as simple as not throwing your cheese wrappers in the grass. I mean, maybe that's just it. Or like, remember I told you those things that drive me absolutely bonkers? The Capri Sun straw wrappers or the juice box straw wrappers. They're everywhere. They're plastic. I wonder if they're ever going to decompose or dissolve. Think about what you can do. Might be a great journal, or you might have to write about it later. Have a great day.